Find out how Surgent CMA Review can help you pass the CMA exam on your first try. In this video, I'll explain how Surgent can save you a lot of study time without breaking your bank account. Let's get started. Surgent started offering test prep in 1985 with a study course for professional accountants. Through the use of cutting-edge technology, they've revitalized higher education for thousands of students, both young and old. In fact, Surgent CMA Review comes with tools that will prepare you to ace both parts of the exam in only 70 hours of study time. How is that possible, you ask? Through Surgent's award-winning A.S.A.P technology. This is their adaptive learning software that's enabled students to earn higher pass rates while actually studying less than what other courses would require. This is the key to their accelerated study plan. It starts by taking an assessment of your existing knowledge before you begin the coursework. Then, Surgent's machine learning algorithm generates your ReadySCORE, which indicates what you would score on the CMA exam if you took it that same day. When you read a passage from the online workbook, watch a video lecture, or work on an essay prompt, your ReadySCORE will increase. And since all of the study materials you access are structured around your particular needs, it won't take very long for you to double your score. You won't get A.S.A.P technology or ReadySCORE with any other CMA course provider. This adaptive learning tech is exclusive to Surgent. In that case, you can just skip the pre-assessment and start hitting the books. There's more than 70 hours worth of content to work through, and you can get extra help by scheduling a one-on-one coaching session. Do you learn well by working through multiple choice questions? There are almost 4,000 of them in the Surgent Ultimate Pass CMA course. Each correct answer has an explanation with as much detail as Surgent's textbooks. And with a well-designed course dashboard, you can easily switch between video lectures, practice questions, textbooks, and flashcards. Surgent's Ultimate Pass comes with unlimited access, so you never have to worry about it expiring and can take as much time as you need to study. Once you earn a ReadySCORE of 75 or higher on each section, you'll likely be ready to pass the real thing. Surgent is so confident in their prep course that they actually guarantee you'll pass the CMA exam. If you don't pass, they'll give you a full refund. If you're interested in a study program that can help you become a CMA on your first try, Surgent CMA Review is definitely the course you're looking for. You'll get help from their excellent instructors, powerful technology, and robust library of study materials, and all at a reasonable price. To save big on Surgent CMA Review, be sure to use my exclusive discount code in the description below or visit crushthecpaexam.com/discounts to check out the most recent promo offers. Get started on your journey to become a certified CMA today.